Healthy children, healthy families. Nothing is more important than having good health. Having proper health insurance is one way we help maintain that good health. But these days, and for a variety of reasons, millions of Americans simply don't have any coverage at all or adequate health protection. Well, our next guest is here to discuss this vital topic and some things that we can do to help change that. With us this morning is Lonie Murray, an information specialist for healthinsuranceweb.com. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Timely topic, right? There's a
Absolutely.
lot of people who are unemployed, underemployed, self-employed. Let's start off by determining health insurance shopping do's and don'ts, because it can be really complicated for a lot of people. What are some of the things moms and dads need to consider when shopping for health insurance?
Great question. It can be very confusing for a lot of people, and I think that the first thing that we need to consider is that health insurance, it can be affordable, and it can be very easy to find an affordable plan. And keeping your children and yourself healthy by having some health insurance that you can afford is going to be very helpful in ensuring your future and your family's future and making sure that everybody's covered and protected.
I think that's great advice, but parents, are thinking, okay, it can be a little bit of a challenge because I'm not really sure, what kind of insurance I need to look for. What kind of plan is the one that's going to work for me? What kind of coverage and what kind of cost? Because everybody's situation is different.
Right. I think that's a lot of the challenges that most moms and dads have is that, one, they're just unsure about what options are even out there for them. And if you weren't aware of health insurance quote websites, which are now available for people at no charge, then you wouldn't know that this can be very easy to find. And usually with those sites you can find multiple health insurance quotes in one place to compare those and find the best plan.
Which is nice because time is limited. You want it now, so to be able to get all those different quotes in one place I think is a great thing. Is having more choices better than having fewer choices? Because it would seem like you've got more and it's going to be more confusing and I've got to do all this shopping around.
As a consumer, shopping for health insurance, to find your best plan and your best rate, we realize that at Health Insurance Web, and we also value the time that you put in protecting your family. So we've made a one-stop shop for people to come get educated on the plan types and also to fill out one single form and get many different quotes from health insurance companies that are reputable and competing for your business so you can find a great rate.
Do you think that more consumers are comparison shopping for health insurance these days, or do they even know that that's something you can do?
Yeah, I think a lot more people are comparison shopping for health insurance these days. And with sites like Health Insurance Web, it takes 3 minutes now. It used to take hours to compare multiple rates. And that's the way that you're going to get the best deal. As a consumer, that's your competitive weapon is rate comparison.
Even though it has not been implemented yet, I do want to talk about the new healthcare law. How is that affecting consumers, you think, who are shopping for health insurance?
I think a lot more consumers, it's top of mind, and they're really trying to figure out what is this all about and how can I protect my family now? And that's what really is the most important thing. I mean, we all want to keep our families protected and make sure that they stay healthy. That's one of the things that we provide with Health Insurance Web is a one-stop shop for families who are busy and don't have a ton of time to spend going online and researching things. I mean, come to one place, find all the information that you need on plan types, and then go ahead and fill out a one quick, easy form. It takes a few minutes and get multiple rates.
What happens should an unexpected, medical situation occur and you don't have any insurance?
Our budgets are already stretched, right? And so it's very easy everybody's healthy right now, and it's very easy to go ahead and not pay for health insurance on a monthly basis. But if something were to happen to you, it could be so much more expensive and you would have so much stress and it could really financially cripple your family.
Well, it sounds like it's better to err on the side of caution, right?
Absolutely,
and do some comparison shopping and go ahead and get some health insurance if you can. And I think this has been a really informative and timely topic to discuss here on the show this morning. So thanks so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
Good to meet you. If you'd like additional information on health insurance or how to simplify the process of finding coverage suited for you and your loved ones, simply visit the website. It is healthinsuranceweb.com.